Have you ever taken a photo only to realize later that something in the background is completely ruining it? Maybe an accidental photo bomber, a messy item, or just a distraction that takes attention away from the main subject. Well, today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted objects from your photos using Canva in just a few minutes. It's simple, fast, and can really elevate the quality of your images. So grab your photo and let's dive in. First, let's get started by opening Canva. If you're not already on the platform, head over to Canva's website using your preferred web browser and log in. Once you're in, upload the photo you want to edit to your design workspace. You can do this by simply dragging your image into the Canva canvas or by using the upload button on the left-hand side. Either way works perfectly. Take a moment to make sure your photo is placed exactly how you want it. With your photo on the canvas, click on it to select it. You'll notice a menu appears at the top of the Canva interface. Look for the option that says Edit Image and click on it. This opens up a variety of tools and effects that you can apply to your photo. Spend a few seconds exploring these options. You might find other features you'll love later. Now, we're looking for the Magic Eraser tool. Keep in mind that this feature is available for Canva Pro users, so make sure you have access to the Pro version. The Magic Eraser is exactly what it sounds like. It can erase unwanted objects from your image seamlessly. Click on it to activate it, and you'll be ready for the fun part. Using your cursor, highlight the object or section you want to remove. Just click and drag over the area you want gone. Take your time to carefully cover the entire object. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the more precise you are, the better the result. Once you've highlighted everything, click the erase button. Canva will do its magic, and the object will disappear from your photo, leaving a clean, natural-looking background. The tool uses advanced algorithms to fill in the gaps with surrounding pixels so it looks smooth, professional, and completely natural. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to effortlessly remove unwanted objects from your photos in Canva. This simple feature can make a huge difference, especially if you want your photos to look polished and professional. Don't forget to save your edited image by downloading it in your preferred format. Take a moment to admire your clean, distraction-free photo. It really makes your subject stand out. Feel free to explore other Canva tools to enhance your images even further. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this guide helps you take your photos from good to amazing. Happy editing and keep creating.